Hello, and welcome to my bucket list flip grid. Look at that award-winning smile. Ah yes, lovely. When Mrs. Blackwood handed me my assignment ever so gently, I started to think to myself, what is on my bucket list? And then I had an idea, something that I'd never been able to accomplish before. I was going to watch at least one of the shows my friends had recommended me. The only thing I had to figure out now was how. But suddenly, I had an idea. So I started planning and writing and working until I couldn't possibly even think to work anymore. It took hours upon hours of effort, and I regret absolutely all of it. And here is the pie chart showing my likeliness to succeed. It would cost me absolutely nothing, but it may kill my last brain cells. I ended up finding this chart showing how disappointing we are as a race. The two things my friends wanted me to watch were Umbrella Academy and Stranger Things, which conveniently happened to both be on Netflix, so I don't know what stopped me from watching them. I did a little research on how to improve my attention span. The first thing that came up was meditation. Unfortunately, I discovered very hardly I don't know how to meditate. The next thing that came up on the internet was chewing gum. I don't have gum. Next up was music. Ah yes, the lovely sound of music. The next thing on the list was tea. I like tea. Thank you for enduring this video. I now believe I am fully trained to at least make it through one season. Goodbye.